Students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. As you know very well, I am your computer teacher. My name is Divya Kanpar. Students, in last class, we have learned basic components of our charts and how to create a chart properly, different types of charts. Now, today we are going to learn about modifying a chart, adding a chart title and layout tab commands. Class 7th. Your chapter number 3, creating charts in MS Excel. Students, in previous class, we learned 4 topics related in a chart. Number first, charts and their significations, basic components of a chart, different types of charts, and creating a chart. And we studied also basic components of a chart, related chart title, chart area, plot area, x-axis, y-axis, axis title, data series, legends and data labels, grid lines. Okay. Class 7th, we know very well a chart is a graphical representation of data and it is lot more easier for us to analyze and interpret data. Okay, and comparison and trends can also be shown at a glance with the help of a charts, and we create anything charts and we will show to any category and feature design also with the help of a chart box and chart area. So it's all their significations of a chart. And second, we discussed about the different types of charts, related column chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, etc. So student, today we are going to discuss about the new topic to related in a chart. First, modifying the charts means changing the chart type, adding the chart title, adding the axis title, and second, more layout tab commands. So let's start. Number first, modifying charts. So student, modifying charts means exactly we can edit and format. Okay, it's various elements and design, layout and format tabs, actually 2 changes to a help of a modifying the charts. So here is a few points written in a chart. First, resizing the actual chart. Second, changing the legend. Okay, changing chart titles and subtitles also. Modifying the appearance of the chart and changing the color of plotted area. Okay. Modifying the graphs. Excel tries its best to give you a nice looking graph. Means you may have to modify titles, labels and series headings. Okay. To accomplish this, just click on the title or label. Okay. And title and label are also help to chart to attractive and various helps design to layout options and edit format to font size and font area also. Okay students, so all are features to combined with in a modifying the graph. So let's discuss about the related changing the chart type. Okay, changing the chart type. Startingly, we can easily change the chart from the one type to another. Okay, like from a line chart to the column chart. So steps are given below. Chart type to relate it. Number first, click anywhere in the chart to select it. Okay, number first. Then second, click on design tab under chart tools. Third, click on the change chart type button. The change chart type dialog box opens. Okay. Next we will see in the left pane, select the chart type, and the right pane, select the chart subtype. Then last, click on the OK button, the chart type will change. So it's very simple to changing the chart type. Okay. So see a picture of a changing chart type. Okay. Students, here a template is here. So many charts, options and name available are here. Column, line, pie, bar, area, XY chart, stock, surface, route net, bubble, radar. Okay, so we will choose only one chart and pick the one chart. After we will click the various types of column chart, we will pick only one, and after we will click OK option. So here is a template area. We will see in a first top to bottom area. So it's the name are chart types, and it's other than side column, various types of column, line, various types of line charts. So here option names is subtypes. Okay, so its name are change chart type dialog box. It's a dialog box of a chart. So changing the chart type, so we can change easily. We will change easily to click anywhere in the chart and then select it. Then design tab option. Under chart tools, click the change chart type button. Then dialog box will be appear open, and after left pane, deselect the chart type. Okay, in the right pane, select the chart subtitle. Okay, it's here right side, its name a subtype. Okay, then last click OK button, the chart type will change. Okay, student, understand all of you? Now see a chart option. Okay, is a dialog box of a student's chart option. Here is a names are given below. Names, titles, here are top area, site name, titles, axis, grid line, legend, data labels, data table. We already discussed and read about the previous topic. Okay, so here is the name of chart title, categories, which are both categories are shown means x-axis and y-axis. Okay, then OK and cancel button already applied in our chart options. Then next, student, see a chart. Okay, is a proper chart created already to related in a below given apples, orange graphs and banana also shown, and after a month all months are shown in a chart. Okay. So next we will see advantages of charts. What is the actually advantages of charts? Student, listen and say properly. Easier to identify trends, easier to identify relationships in data. Okay, and then charts is linked to the data, so that changes to the data are shown immediately in the chart. Okay, we can identify easily. Firstly, we can create a relationship in our data. Okay, and shown properly immediately in the chart to link to data. Okay, one to other. Then students see next heading means next topic, adding the chart title means how to edit the chart title. A chart title gives an idea about the topic of the chart. Means we can add a title to our Excel chart to make it more meaningful. Okay, so steps are given below. Select the chart to which you want to add the chart title. Number first is the step is select the chart to which you want to add the chart title. Okay, second, under the chart tools, click on the layout tab. Which option? Student, layout tab. Okay, and click on the chart title button. Third is a click on the chart title button. Then a drop down menu appears displaying option that specify how the chart title will be displayed on the chart. So next is select an option, then a text box containing the text. Chart title will be added to the chart. Okay, then type to replace the text in the text box with the help with the text of the chart title. So this is a title, means is a title of shown the startingly top side of a chart area. Next, see a picture of add chart titles. Okay, students, see a properly picture of a graphical means its picture shown add chart title, means how to add chart title in our actual sheet. We can create add chart titles to show in a vertical and horizontal axis both of you. Okay, so see a proper chart in Excel sheet means chart title. Okay, startingly see a chart title, and we can enter the name to related chart to show a graphically way of a representation to a total marks to related subjects, chemistry, physics, math. Okay, then average percentage shows, and then names of the students: Roberts, Jam, Stephen, and Mary. Okay, it show a graphically way of a number of a subject, means average percentage of a related of a subject marks. Then add chart title using macros in Excel. Okay, C means a performance of how to add chart title and name to give specified. Okay, we will give the name of a specify any chart to created in sheet. Okay, student, come on next topic. Next is adding the axis title, means how to add the axis title. Adding an axis title to the chart helps the user to know what each axis represent. Okay, axis you know very well, x-axis and y-axis both. Okay, the axis title can be added to both the horizontal axis, means x-axis. Okay, then and the vertical axis means y-axis of the chart. Yes, so follow these steps to add the axis title in chart. Number 1 step is click on an empty area of the chart to select it. You know very well what the actually empty area means, blank area. Okay, then next click on the layout tab under chart tools category. Yes, then click on the axis title button. A drop down menu shows two options. Which one option, students? It's very important. First A is primary horizontal axis. Which one? Primary horizontal axis. And second is primary vertical axis. So primary horizontal axis title for adding a horizontal axis title means horizontally way. Okay. Then primary vertical axis means title for adding a vertical form, vertical axis title form. Okay. Then students, fourth point to the required options means and select the title below axis option from the sub menu. And a text box containing the text axis title will be edited below the axis. Yes. Then last, replace the text in the text box with the text of the axis. So these all are steps of related adding the axis title. So see a picture of related intersection means axis to related. Okay, in y and x axis. Then next, student, changing the chart layout. Okay, chart tools layout tab means make it easy to create and modify individual chart objects. Okay, using the chart tools layout tab, you can add shapes and text to a chart. Okay, and you can add and modify labels, change the display of axis. See, students, chart layout means we can represent to many ways, enhance a chart visually, means we can create option to related layout, to format, etc. See your next picture. Next picture is chart tools, means related primary horizontal x-axis and primary vertical axis title. Okay, see your same topic with the chart tools help of a layout tab. Okay, so we can identify and create an option to access titles only. Okay, chart title, legend, data, labels, all options are available in a layout tab in a chart tools. Next picture is a chart elements, means axis title, chart title, data, label, data, and we can only take mark we can only represent one option in a checkbox. So see a picture in a grid lines means a mark in a grid line. Okay, grid lines. So we can click only one time, one and more times to help of a checkbox. Okay, in a checkbox we can tick mark the many option. Okay, and then radio button. Radio button means we can circle only one option at the one time. Okay, the name of a chart elements. Now next and last topic is here. Today is your more layout tab commands. Okay, so here command button and its function related to a show. It's a commands and command button and its function name. Okay, so first is a chart element. Let's start. The helps you to select a particular chart element. Means click on the drop down arrow and select an element from the list. Which one? Chart elements. Second, format selection. What is a format selection? Produce a dialog box to allow. Means you to format a selected chart elements. We can format to a section available in a format selection. Then picture. Allow you to insert a picture on the chart. We can insert any picture to the help of a picture button. Okay, next is shapes. Shapes helps you to allow you to insert a shape on the chart. We can shape to any shape to allow to on the chart. Okay, next is text box. Text box, we know very well. Text box means you can write in a text box on the chart. We can write anything to related our charts. Okay, with the help of a text box. Next is chart title. Allow you to add or remove a chart title or change its position. Means chart title allow you to add, remove, etc. function to help in its position. Students, then next is button name is access titles. Okay, command button name is access titles and function give you option to add, remove or position the access titles. Okay, its function is give you options to add, remove both. Okay, or a position the access titles. Then legends give you option to add, remove or position the chart legends. Only same this option. Okay, legends also help to add, remove any function to a position. Then data labels adds our data labels to the chart. We can add data tables to the chart to add any feature. Then access. Access helps you gives option to change the formatting and layout of the access. Okay, we can change the format using a formatting and layout option to the help of access. Okay, then next last grid lines helps to show hide grid lines on the chart. Grid line you understand means two combinations of rows and column to help of a cell and is a lining of a combination of a grid lines. Okay, so we can understand today's topic. What about this today's topic, students? We discussed today's topic is modifying the chart. Okay, you understand properly means design, formatting, etc. and how to changing the chart types and adding the chart title means heading. Okay, see a top area of a click to add title means we can add anything we can write in above of a chart. Okay, then next we learn today adding the axis title means both axis x-axis and y-axis. Then last commands. Okay, means more layout tab commands name. So student, listen properly. Your today's homework is do adding the chart activity at home and learn tab commands. Okay, do you understand? Means layout tab command. So this is your today's homework. I hope you will complete all your work and read properly today's work. Okay.